So in the morning I like to have a cup of coffee. I like in the last period this morning coffee from Tassimo. I have the Bosch machine also, and I use this pads, and I put such a small amount of milk without sugar, and this is my morning coffee. So I want to tell you what I bought from my grocery store. I want to switch more to the natural side and to cut off the sweeteners and the chips and all of this. So I was buying some lemon because in the last period I like it very much, lemon with water, warm water in the morning. Some cheese for my daughter, some yogurt, coconut yogurt, because I want to cut off the dairy of my diet, some carrots, some bananas, some sweet potato, avocado, cold smoked salmon, some apples, green apples. They are very good, also like snacks or in my smoothies. Some pumpkin seed, but not they're supposed to be raw pumpkin seed. And for my sweetness, some dark chocolate with a high percentage of cacao. So this is what I bought today. And I found a plant of cilantro. I want to plant in a bowl and to have here in my kitchen, just to add in my foods or in my smoothies, because it is fresh and it gives a nice scent and is full of nutrients. I bought some strawberries because it is their season now. A lot of vitamins and minerals, and for snacks are perfect. I like in the summer to eat more seasonal fruit, because are more natural and don't have such amount of chemical like other fruit in other season.